Hey, this is Heather from Next Owner Automotive. I'm doing the video that we talked about on that 2017 GMC Acadia Denali. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk around the vehicle real quick. Sorry, the sun. And then I'll go around and show you the specifics of the vehicle. This is all-wheel drive vehicle. It has backup sensors. Pretty much has everything except for DVD. Alright, so come up to the wheel right here. There's a little nick right there. Here is tread, looks really good right there. Okay, and there's that light. And then you got the front sensors and the front, the camera. Okay, here's the other wheel. There's a little curb. But the tread is really good. Like I said, I really try my best to show anything and everything that I see. Okay, so this is the light that we have ordered, the cover for that right there. The sensors, there's a few little marks there. We have the dent guy coming in. There's like little bitty dents right there. They're supposed to, I think he's supposed to be here today, hopefully. So this is the key. Remember, when you have remote start, when you go in, you got to press the start button. It does have Wi-Fi 4G capability. You would obviously have to pay for that. This is the interior. It does have the Bose speakers. Very cold air. Heated steering wheel. Power seats. Has the WeatherTech mats. It has heated and ventilated seats. There is your map. You can add your phone. It does have OnStar if you wanted to, and have the ability to have your text. The camera, that's your camera view. You can do it that way if you're towing something, and then you can have the lines right there. There's a sunroof. $97,420. Let's see what else. Parking assist, lane departure. You see where it has the four-wheel drive. You can also do the trailer, all-wheel drive. Captain's chairs. The heated seats. if you want to have the view of the sunroof. Back here, you got your lights. This is the third row. There's also USBs on the third row. So you can close or make those go down that way. Got that. And there is a WeatherTech rubber mat. I think my coworker just took it. I don't know where it went, but anyway, it's the same color as the others, but you can put it all the way in the back over here. Alright, let me know what you think. Like I said, you can put the deposit down. I can send you the credit application. Thank you.